In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add drop shadows to text and elements in Canva. Adding a drop shadow is a simple way to make your text stand out and give your design a more professional, polished look. It creates a subtle sense of depth, which is especially helpful if your text is sitting on top of a busy background or a photo. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along in your own Canva design. First, open your design in Canva and make sure you're on the page where you want to add the effect. Start by clicking on the text you want to style. This could be a heading, a subheading, or a smaller body text box. When you click on the text, you'll see a border appear around it, and the top toolbar will change to show text-related options. If you have multiple text boxes, double check that the one you want is actually selected before moving on. Once your text is selected, look at the toolbar that appears near the top of the screen. You'll see options for font, size, color, alignment, and more. Among these, there's a button labeled Effects. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up a panel, usually on the left or at the top, depending on your screen size, with different styling options you can apply to your text. In the Effects panel, you'll see several choices such as shadow, outline, and other text styles. To create a drop shadow, click on the option labeled Shadow. As soon as you select it, Canva will automatically apply a basic shadow effect to your text. From here, you can fine-tune the look of your shadow. While the exact controls may vary slightly depending on updates, you will typically be able to adjust the transparency, blur, direction, and distance of the shadow, as well as choose a color. For a subtle, natural look, keep the blur a bit higher and the transparency somewhere in the middle. If you want something more dramatic, you can make the shadow darker and move it farther from the text. Take a moment to zoom out and look at your whole design to make sure the shadow isn't too strong or distracting. When you're happy with how it looks, you're done. You've successfully added a drop shadow to your text in Canva.